Okay ka naman? Kamusta ka na dyan? Ito, nakakausapin kita. May tanong lang ako sa iyo as we welcome you back here. So after everything you've achieved abroad, at pagbalik mo dito sa Pilipinas ngayon, syempre lahat kami honored, no? Pero gusto namin talagang marinig mula sa iyo. Why did you choose to come home to ABS-CBN and Star Magic?
Ito na yung kinakatakutan. I'm just super blessed to be given this opportunity. I always say this sa lahat ng interviews ko. It has been my dream to just be recognized. And now, given the recognition na I am sitting with the VIPs, the bosses of ABS-CBN, and kanina nga sa rehearsals, sabi ko parang pwede naman sanang sa cafeteria na lang kami magpirmahan. Sobra po ako talagang nagagalak sa pagmamahal at pag-welcome sa akin kasi this has been the dream of everyone. And most of the dreamers out there are, kumbaga nawawalan sila ng pag-asa na will there be a chance for them. I just kept going, and the dream itself really fought for me. And with the music that's in my heart, and it is my passion really. Now coming back to my first stage na kumbaga nagbigay sa akin ng si Sofronio yan eh. I am just thankful sa lahat po na nag-prepare ngayon na nakabalik ako dito, and now I am back, and then they welcome me as part of the family now. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po, at hindi ko po sasayangin yung pagkakataon. Thank you po, thank you. Oh my God.
Nagpapaiyak naman agad si Sofronio. Pero totoo yun, no? Talagang kitang-kita natin sa pagsagot pa lang ni Sofronio how humble he remained even after achieving so much. Grabe yung nagawa mo. First ever Filipino and first ever Asian to win The Voice USA. So again, congratulations. Pero ito na ngayon, Sofronio, mula sa tawag ng tanghalan, ito na ang tahanan talaga ni Sofronio. So, let us seal the deal with the management. It is time to sign the contract for this beautiful partnership. And there we can see Sofronio together with our ABS-CBN bosses, Mr. Laurenti Jogi, Ms. Cory Vidanes, Sir Ray Santiago. They are sealing the deal. They are signing the contract of our Kapamilya dream come true, Sofronio Vasquez. From being the king of auditions and singing competitions, including our very own Tawag ng Tanghalan on It's Showtime, Sofronio finally made it as the winner of The Voice USA Season 26. And with this contract, we definitely have a lot of exciting projects to look forward to. And we have made it official! Congratulations on your new contract, Sofronio Vasquez! And to make it an even warmer welcome, may mensahe para kay Sofronio ang ating ABS-CBN bosses. So let's hear from our tatay, the head of Star Magic and Entertainment Production, Mr. Laurenti Jogi. Direk Lauren, go ahead.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, Sof. Alam ko, importante itong araw sa iyo, pero importanteng araw dito sa amin. Very appropriate kung lugar kung nasan tayo. We normally don't hold it here, but we felt, as recommended by the team, this is a very important home for you. This is a very important studio para sa iyo. Kaya ito natin ginaganap itong importante event na ito. I'd like you to know na sobrang importante yung pagkapanalo mo. Yung pagiging recognized mo bilang unang Asyano at bilang unang Pilipino sa entablado sa Amerika. Tulad ng kanta mo kanina, hindi lang pangarap mo yun, pangarap yun ng milyon Pilipino. Na makita na isa nilang kababayan ay magtaguyod at maitayo ang bandera ng lahat na nangangarap na mga awit, lahat na nangangarap na Pilipino. Mahusay ang Pilipino at pinatunayan niyo. And every time you sing on stage, siyempre mahanga sila sa ganyan boses mo. But more than that, yung boses mo, iba na yung meaning ng boses mo. Diba? Kumapal na siya dahil sa lahat ng hirap na dinaanan mo, na yung pala ay importante para lalo mapatibay ang pagkatao mo at para maging mas matamis ang tagumpay na matatanggap mo. And as I said, it was not only your dream, it was the dream of every Filipino artist to prove to the world continuously na mahusay ang mga awit na Pilipino. At maraming salamat dahil ikaw ang bagong simbolo ng mga pangarap na yun. And I know in our hearts na nakita rin namin, umuwi ka dito, pwede ka naman natili doon, but you opted also to be coming here, to be sharing your victory, to be celebrating with your countrymen, mga kababayan natin dito, at patuloy na pinapakita sa lahat na kung nagawa ko, kaya rin. Kaya nyo rin. And thank you, thank you, thank you. You may not feel it right now, but you will change a lot of lives with that achievement that you did. Thank you for not giving up, and thank you for continuously fighting not only for your dream for your family, your dream for the nation, and also pati ng ABS-CBN. Kasi gusto naman talaga namin na patunayan, magaling talaga ang husay ng isang Pinoy artist. So again, maraming salamat. And on behalf of ABS-CBN, we welcome you officially to Star Magic and to ABS-CBN. Congratulations. Welcome home.
Oh, welcome home. Thank you very much for that heartfelt message, Direk Lauren. Mas naramdaman namin kung gaano kahalaga, kung gaano kalaki yung tagumpay ni Sofronio na hindi lang para sa kanya, kundi para sa milyong-milyong mga Pilipinong nangangarap. And now we also have a message from our business unit head and the head of Polaris Management, Sir Riley Santiago.
Hi, Sof. The last few months may seem like a whirlwind of success. Pero doon sa mga nakakakilala kay Sof, matagal na journey ang tinahak niya. Because we know you deserve all the love that you are receiving, so that's why we're celebrating this event for you. We knew for many years TNT and it's Showtime. We knew you had the skills, the heart, the mindset, and then it's just a matter of time na ma-recognize ng buong mundo yung talento mo. So, you are a proof that we do here, what we do here every day is looking for raw Filipino talent and lifting it up. Will always pay off. Because now, because of you, we can remind everyone that the Filipino voice is world-class and worthy of being heard. You really make us proud, Sof. Thank you for upholding Filipino excellence and talent. With this partnership, we will help you keep winning and living your dream. Welcome to Star Magic.
World-class indeed. Thank you very much, Sir Riley Santiago, for your message for our dear Sofronio. Pero alam mo, Sof, kung ngayon pa lang na-overwhelm ka na, hindi dyan nagtatapos ang mga well wishes para sa'yo. Para sa bawat kapamilya at sa madlang people, Sofronio has truly become an inspiration sa lahat ng mga nangangarap at nabibigo, pero nagpapatuloy pa rin patungo sa tagumpay. So, we prepared something special for you, Sof. Let's all watch this.
It all started with a dream. A small voice from Misamis Occidental dreamed of being heard around the world.
Halos lahat ng mga reality shows ng ABS-CBN, pinilaan ko.
But the road to success was not an easy one.
Di ko na mabilang kung ilang rejections na ang nakuha ko.
And every contest, no matter the competition, he bared his soul and sang his heart out. With dedication, perseverance, and sheer talent, his dreams began to unfold on the nationwide stage.
Every time nag-audition ako sa mga competitions, tawag ng tanghalan po yung unang pumansin sa akin. Ito yung pangarap ko eh. na naging champion sila, sana maging champion din ako.
But when victory remained elusive, he took his talents behind the scenes as a vocal coach, helping fellow singers to find their voices. As life led him to faraway places, fueled by the power of his dream, he became the first Asian and Filipino champion of The Voice USA. From humble beginnings to international recognition, the voice of Sofronio Vasquez is a gift to every Filipino and the whole world.
What I like about Sofronio is that he is a fighter. He's gonna do everything to achieve his dreams.
He's so kind and very respectful and trustworthy, of course, and very straightforward about it.
Napaka-disiplinado. Kaya yun yung nilulook up ko sa kanya. And when it comes naman sa trabaho, talagang lagi siyang dumarating na prepared. Alam niya yung gagawin niya at kung hindi man sobrang matanong na bata.
My most favorite thing about Pia Sofronio is that he never fails to see potential sa mga taong nakasama niya and he always encourages people.
And napaka-generous niya sa lahat ng mga ideas when it comes sa musicality. Kaya, salute kami.
Ang masasabi ko lang kay Sofronio, he is humble and kind. Yun ko talaga yung description ko sa kanya, pero hindi talaga nagbago yun.
I'm so happy and very proud sa lahat ng achievement niya. Lalo na sa pagkapanalo niya sa The Voice. Ang dami niyang sinacrifice, ang dami niyang trinabaho, hanggang sa makamit niya ito.
Yung wish ko para kay Sofronio is maging successful sa career niya. Matupad niya yung pangarap niya para sa mama niya at saka sa buong pamilya.
Congrats, Sof, on this new milestone. Super sulit yung walang humpay mong pag-audition sa mga singing contest. We are all very proud of you.
It's your big contract signing. Kapamilya, congratulations, and I'm sure that you have wonderful, wonderful projects that inspire all the Filipinos and of course the entire world.
Deserve yan. Mabigyan ka talaga ng spotlight. It's time na mas ipakita mo pa yung talent mo. Proud na proud kami sa'yo.
Isa ako sa talagang masayang-masaya dito sa iyong journey. Good luck and enjoy the journey. God bless you.
I think isa ako sa dun talaga. Sobrang proud sa'yo. Yan. And now that you have a management company that represents you here in the Philippines, so happy for you. And the Lord bless you always. Congratulations.
Congratulations and welcome to your Star Magic family. I'm sure you guys will be coming up with beautiful music and that will be so exciting for the whole industry. So I wish you all the best. Good luck and can't wait to hear what you guys come up with.
So I'm very happy na ngayon nagkakatotoo na yung mga pinag-uusapan natin. Masaya ako na Star Magic kung mag-handle sa'yo. Alam ko kung gaano kanila mapapangalagaan. You have been working for this moment. You have been sharing your talent to the whole world at dun pa lang sapat na mabless ka ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya congratulations, we love you.
Wish ko sa kanya, sana matupad niya lahat ang gusto niya na mangyari sa buhay niya. Congrats lang, sana gabayan ka sa Panginoon Diyos sa lahat ng gagawin mo. I'm proud of you lang. I love you.
And now, in his new chapter as a Kapamilya artist in the Philippines, the dream continues to burn brighter than ever, inspiring Filipinos with his own journey. Sofronio is ready to make more dreams come true. We proudly welcome you home, the Filipino Phenom, a Kapamilya dream come true, Sofronio Vasquez.
At hindi na nga nga talaga napigilan ni Sofronio na maiyak doon sa video na yun na punong-puno ng messages. Ilan lang yun sa mga nagmamahal sa'yo, Sofronio. Pero sa totoo lang, napakarami, of course, na naniniwala sa'yo. Buong bansa ay proud na proud sa'yo. So, lalo na dun sa mga nandun para sa'yo, from the very start, you have a message for them. So, mula sa mga kapamilya at kaibigan mo, di ba, na mula sa TNT pa, sa It's Showtime family, The Voice USA, and of course, our management. What do you want to say to the people who believe in you?
Gusto ko lang po ulit magpasalamat sa Star Magic. Sarap sabihin na Star Magic. Sobrang ganda po ng experience ko today, at this very moment. Pero mas maganda po yung naging experience ko looking back. Kasi lahat pa lang yun ay kasama pala sa magiging chapter na mangyayari ngayon. And I'm just very, very blessed na yung mga tao na nagmamahal sa akin, sinasabi nila na willing ako mag-sacrifice. But may mga tao din na willing mag-sacrifice just to help me achieve my dreams. Maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Cory, kay Sir Derek Loren, kay Sir Riley. Sobrang hindi ko alam kung paano po ako magpapasalamat. Gusto ko lang po talagang i-take yung chance na i-share sa buong mundo na huwag po kayo talagang tumigil sa thrive doon sa pangarap nyo, kasi ibibigay sa inyo sa hindi oras na gusto natin, but oras niya. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Showtime family, sa lahat po ng nagsalita, sa mga family ko here, and sa family ko rin sa abroad, and of course sa aking coach Michael Bublé. Always talaga ako emotional pag siya yung pinag-uusapan, kasi he also made a very big impact dun sa paniniwala, dun sa fact na yung Filipino can be very, very global and international. So thank you coach, sa lahat ng family ko sa The Voice dun sa Amerika. I am back home. I will continue to bring and share kung ano yung napag-aralan ko doon, i-share ko dito, at ano yung makikita nila dito ay for sure makakarating din sa US. Thank you po sa inyo.
Sasubtitle na lang natin yon para sa mga taga The Voice USA. Oh. Pero Sof, nabanggit mo na nga, no? Lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, part din talaga yun ng journey mo, at it made this experience even sweeter. Kaya naman baka pwede na natin i-announce ngayon na meron kang gagawing very special tungkol sa iyong life dito sa ABS-CBN. Ay, parang hindi rin pala alam ni Sofronio. So ako na lang po ang mag-a-announce. Mga kapamilya, isang surprise ito para kay Sofronio din pala. So, meron po tayong niluluto na life story special ni Sofronio Vasquez. I'm sure that will be very, very inspiring. So, Sof, nabalitaan mo na ba ito? Anong feelings mo dito na gagawan ng life story special?
Excited ako talaga. Actually, hindi ko expect na pwede pala siyang sabihin. Pero more than the real life story, sobra akong na-excite kasi kung ano yung mapapakita nila ng buong ABS-CBN. I'm just so excited na tingnan mo, dati napapanood ko lang sa TV, ngayon sarili ko ng story. So, thank you.
Excited din tayong mapanood yan. Of course, lalo na kung ABS-CBN ang gagawa. Nako, hindi lang enough yung isang tissue na yan, isang set ng tissue dyan. Pero bukod dyan, of course, you also have shows. Your upcoming shows, Sofronio, saan ka ba mapapanood all over the world?
I am excited to share that I have few shows in the Philippines and then abroad. So I hope that you guys are always checking my Facebook page kasi na-post po yung poster. I don't know if meron tayong copy, but I have upcoming shows talaga. So Sacramento, San Leandro, Dubai, meron akong Australia, meron din akong Canada. And hopefully meron din yung TFC and Star Magic will produce series of concerts, US concerts. Ayun. Tsaka Philippines pala. Ayun. Nako. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat. I have New York. Nakapost naman lahat yan sa social media ko. So, yeah. I'm so excited.
Maraming tayong aabangan kay Sofronio Vasquez. And now, to cap off this special occasion, let's take some photos. So, Sofronio, our dear bosses, kindly proceed to the stage for our photos.